Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have trouble cleaning my cooker. You see, even though I try to scrub, it's hard. It didn't work. So I searched on the internet and I found a very simple way to cleaning it with a very familiar ingredient. I will use vinegar, baking soda, and dishwashing liquid. Those are what you already have in your kitchen. So let's watch until the end of the video to see the result, whether it becomes sparkling clean or not. Now I will get about 40 milliliters of vinegar. And 2 spoons of dishwashing liquid. Alright. Now I will mix them well. Now I will pour it into a bottle for sprayer. Now I will spray on the surface of the cooker. If you like to clean the whole pot, you can spray the whole cooker. It's safe, so you can use it for the whole cooker. And you remember there are some top stands here, so I will sprinkle some baking soda on over the dirty area. Alright, I will spray some more. You see the fish? Now I will use a hot towel. This is hot water. I will use hot towel. I use this to cover the dirty area here. It will make the dirt come up easily. Okay. Let's wait for 10 minutes. Make sure to unplug it before you cleaning the cooker. While waiting for the cooker, I will clean this area. You see, this area is full of old greasy stains. I will use the mixture we make vinegar and dishwashing liquid. I will spray. You spray the whole area and we'll leave it there for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we see some dirt. It's come up here. See? Now I will use a sponge to scrub it. You see those parts, it become dry, so let's spray it one more time before you scrub it. When it's wet, it's easier for you to clean. I use a wet towel to clean it through. Now I will use a clean wet towel and wash it. Let's see, there's still some dirty up here. That's okay, I will scrub it one more time. We'll use a dry towel and dry those areas. After a few minutes of scrubbing and cleaning, you see my kitchen become very clean and the hard stubborn stain gone away. Oh wow, that tip worked very well. If you like that tip, please hit the button of subscribe to my channel and give a like to my video. After 10 minutes, I will get the towel off and I use a scraper gently remove the burn dirt here. You see the dirt come up here? It's brown here. As I see here, it's not perfectly clean, but I think perhaps 60% or 70% of the stubborn greasy part gone away. I think I can try it 1 or 2 more times so my cooker will become shiny. Alright, now I will wash it. After the first time of cleaning, it's not clean perfectly, so I try another tip. I use the liquid we make before vinegar, dishwashing liquid, baking soda, and now I will squeeze some lemon. I hope that it would work more than before, better than before. Let's see. Now I will mix it. For the baking soda dissolve too. Alright, after 20 minutes, now I will use a scraper to gently scrub it to remove the dirt. Those dirt are tough burn, so you need to scrub it with more effort. Now I will wipe the dirt away. Wow, super clean. After the first time, as I told you, just 60 or 70 greasy part gone away, but now you see 100% of the greasy part gone away. So for the first time, I just use vinegar and baking soda and dishwashing liquid. Now for the second time, I add some more lemon and it worked very well. Alright, so you see on the surface of my cooker, there's no more greasy part. Finally, after 2 times of cleaning, the cooker here is perfectly clean. You see, for both induction and infrared burner. The greasy part, they very hard and tough, but after 2 times of cleaning, they all go away. Super clean, perfectly clean. If you find that video interesting, please give me a like for this video and remember to hit the subscribe button to my channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.